If you're looking for the best RV washing machines, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. 1. At the first position of our list, we have Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is a tried and true model that is a popular option. It has an extra-large 11-pound washing capacity and a spinner that can dry up to 6.6 pounds of clothing. Its easy to read and simple to operate dials allow you to incrementally select wash times up to 15 minutes long and spin times up to 5 minutes long, giving you total control over your laundry time. You can even wash and dry simultaneously. You can also choose either a normal wash cycle or soft wash for more delicate items. 300 watts of washing power and a 1300 RPM spinner is sure to get your clothes squeaky clean. This unit is also offered at a very competitive price point. It is one of the larger washer/dryer combos on our list. However, and as such, it may not fit as well as more compact models in certain RV. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is a tried and true model that is a popular option. It has an extra-large 11-pound washing capacity and a spinner that can dry up to 6.6 pounds of clothing. Its easy to read and simple to operate dials allow you to incrementally select wash times up to 15 minutes long and spin times up to 5 minutes long, giving you total control over your laundry time. You can even wash and dry simultaneously. You can also choose either a normal wash cycle or soft wash for more delicate items. 300 watts of washing power and a 1300 RPM spinner is sure to get your clothes squeaky clean. This unit is also offered at a very competitive price point. It is one of the larger washer/dryer combos on our list. However, and as such, it may not fit as well as more compact models in certain RV. 2. Next at number 2, we have Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine. The Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine deserves an honorable mention for being a reliable large-capacity washer/dryer combo that has an impressive 18-pound washing capacity and an 8-pound drying capacity. A rugged built-in drain pump ensures proper emptying of water each time. The controls are easy to use and highly customizable, allowing you to select the perfect wash and dry times for your needs. All in all, this is a very straightforward and simple-to-use washer that delivers good and time-saving results. The simple stainless steel snap ring allows you to quickly and easily hook up the water hose to almost any faucet, anywhere. The large wash tub is equipped with a top-of-the-line powerful 3600 RPM motor and the ability to spin a full 360 degrees to be able to remove even stubborn stains from your clothing quickly and efficiently. Please note that this machine is on the larger side and may not fit ideally in every RV. 3. The number 3 position is held by Comfy 1.6Q FT Portable Washing Machine. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line, futuristically designed portable washing machine, the Comfy 1.6Q FT Portable Washing Machine fits the bill perfectly. This washing machine features the ability to use both hot and cold water. Unlike many of the others on our list, its fully digital and easy-to-read display is cleverly designed to include the 6 most commonly used wash programs, including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin-only settings. There's a handy extra rinse feature to make sure clothes come out super clean and 3 water temperatures to select from. This machine is capable of washing up to 11 pounds of clothing in its heavy-duty and durable stainless steel tub. It's also capable of saving you up to 84% on your energy consumption when compared to other models on the market. It features a child lock that lets you freeze the control panel so your little ones don't accidentally cause problems with it. While this isn't a washer/dryer combo, it is a very space-saving model, making it a great option for really tiny spaces. 4. Moving on to the next at number 4 with Super Deal Portable Compact Washing Machine. For our favorite budget-friendly pick, we like the Super Deal Portable Compact Washing Machine. Even its name is budget-friendly. This is a very compact and portable twin tub washer/dryer combo that hooks up easily to your kitchen sink faucet. It's capable of washing 5.5 pounds of clothing at one time and drying 4.4 pounds of clothing in one cycle. This machine also allows you to wash and dry clothing simultaneously, making it a very efficient and a time-saving option. Its TruRinse technology delivers powerful and efficient rinsing of clothing without wasting water. Separate timer controls allow you to customize the length of both the wash and dry cycles. This washing machine has a slightly smaller capacity than many on the market, but it's also one of the more space-saving ones on our list, making it ideal not just for RV but also dorm rooms, condos, small apartments, and more. 5. The number 5 position is dominated by Panda PA N6320W portable machine. If you're looking for a premium quality, high-tech portable washing machine for your RV, apartment, dorm room, or condo, check out the Panda PA N6320W portable machine. Check out the It features a super compact, space-saving design that can be easily rolled on its heavy-duty casters to any room in your home or RV. Its large 1.34 cubic foot capacity can hold up to 10 pounds of clothing at a time. This top-of-the-line washing machine also features fully digital controls with a super bright LED display that lets you choose from 10 different washing programs and 5 different water levels. It has a heavy-duty stainless steel drum that can withstand some serious use, unlike some other models with plastic drums. It resists rusting, chipping, and cracking. Easy quick connect hoses let you set it up in seconds. The only drawback to this high-end RV washing machine is that it's not a combo unit with a dryer. 6. The number 6 position is held by Gizmo's portable washing machine. Our pick for the best overall RV washing machine is the Gizmo's portable washing machine. This is a washer/dryer combo that comes equipped with one tub that is capable of washing 7.9 pounds of clothing and another tub that is capable of spinning dry 4.4 pounds of clothing per cycle. Each wash cycle can be fully adjusted to run up to 15 minutes on either a normal or a soft wash option, and each spin cycle can last up to 5 minutes to remove as much excess water from clothes as possible and greatly shorten overall drying time. The best part is that you choose the length of each cycle, so if you're pressed for time, no problem. 7. At the 7th position of our list, we have Zenni Portable Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. When it comes to a super simple, compact, and inexpensive RV washing machine, the Zenni Portable Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine deserves an honorable mention. Like a lot of others on our list, this is a side-by-side dual tub washer/dryer combination that measures 23.62 x 27.17 x 14.96 inches, taking up very little space. It's capable of washing up to 8 pounds of clothing and spin drying up to 5 pounds at one time. It's a good little machine for the money. The easy-to-use dials allow you to fully control and alter the wash time up to 15 minutes and the spin-dry time up to 5 minutes with no pre-programmed settings to worry about. It utilizes a gravity drain system, which can sometimes be a pain compared to an automatic pump drain, but there are fewer parts to malfunction and have to repair. This is a super efficient machine that costs between $2 per year to operate, saving you tons of money at the laundromat. The number 8 position is held by Della Portable Washing Machine. This small and compact washing machine from Della, which also features a spin dryer, is surely a cost-effective choice for RV enthusiasts and owners. Since it is a portable and compact machine, it is an ideal choice if you want to do laundry in an environment with small, unlimited space. The washer features an 11 lb load capacity designed for those light and medium laundry. It also promotes easy-to-use selections for washing and dry spinning, letting the machine stop right away in case you are done with the load. The machine also has a built-in drainage tube, promoting ease in draining dirty water. It works well for delicate clothes and garments like t-shirts, towels, and socks. The highly portable nature and compact size of this machine are also among the reasons behind its suitability to RV motorhomes as well as other limited spaces, like condos, apartments, and dorms. It is equipped with a clear lid, giving you the opportunity to see the dry and wash cycle while also keeping track of the water condition. Operating and using it is also easy as it just involves filling the tub with water and setting the timer. 9. Next at number 9 we have Della Electric Mini Portable and Compact Washing Machine. Della also impresses the public with its other great product in the washer and dryer category, which also often appears in legitimate RV stackable washer and dryer reviews. It is no longer surprising to see it being part of many top reviews for washers and dryers because of its numerous valuable features. Among its many positive traits are being powerful and easy to operate. You can begin operating the washing machine just by putting loads of garments inside the tub, filling it with water, setting the timer, then pressing the wash button. With its clear lid, washing and drying can also be easily monitored. It is versatile and multifunctional. It performs two basic functions, like washing and spin drying simultaneously. One advantage of this portable washer and dryer from Della is that it is equipped with a drain pump. Such feature is helpful in draining water automatically from the washing machine. It has a timer control as well as a spin basket, which you can set up to 15 minutes when you are washing and up to 5 minutes when spin drying. It has a large washing capacity of up to 8.8 pounds per load. The spin dryer, on the other hand, can handle a max load of 4.4 pounds. 10. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Extrema Power US Compact and Portable Washer and Spin Dryer. You can also pick this portable washer and spin dryer from Extrema Power US if what you are searching for is a compact washing machine that you can easily put inside your recreational vehicle. The fact that it combines a washing rating of 300 watts and spin drying rating of 150 watts makes it deliver an excellent performance. You will never be bothered as far as space is concerned once you invest in it and store it in your vehicle. It is because of its compact size that won't cause any inconvenience. Such size makes it appropriate for use not only in RV and motorhomes but also in apartments, dorms, and condos. It features a couple of plastic buckets with a 5-gallon capacity each, promoting even more convenience. It also features a very versatile design, making it appropriate for use when handling delicate clothes and garments such as undergarments, socks, towels, and t-shirts. You will also feel satisfied with its max of 8.8 lb washing capacity and 4.4 lb spinning capacity. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.